NASA is still refusing to make those photos public. They're blaming it on the shutdown. What is NASA hiding? It is a comet. It should essentially stay on course and head out into outer space. But if it does veer to the right and head toward Earth, that means it is intelligent, and then what happens next?
We die.
That's an excellent question. I think Washington, D.C. will have to attend to it.
Do we know for sure if this is a mothership?
We will know when we see the children of the mothership visiting us, coming closer to Earth. Of course, objects that are of the size of our spacecraft, of order 10 meters or a few tenths of meters, they would be difficult to observe because they don't reflect much sunlight until they come close to the atmosphere of the Earth, and then we will see them. It might be too late.
Are you saying that this on when?
Why is this guy trying to scare us, bro? Listen, I think it's cool. I really want to believe that this might be aliens coming here, right? He's the loudest one. I want to believe him, but like that Israeli accent, man, I don't know. When I hear that Israeli accent, I'm like, what type of bullshit are you pulling, bro?
Wednesday could reemerge on the other side of the sun and release smaller probes like the movie Independence Day that could then potentially make their way toward Earth. Is that what you're saying? And then I'll just add to that, are you concerned?
Well, it is a possibility. Now, what many scientists miss in this context is that it has implications for humanity. It's not like any other scientific study where you can say, I don't really care what the dark matter particle is. It will not affect my future life. But here there are implications, and therefore we have to be worried about black swan events because of their huge implications, even if the probability that you assign to that is very small. So I think we should look into as much data as possible.
Next Wednesday, we should at least have some answers if NASA is finally honest with the people of the world, not just the American people. The government shutdown should not impact NASA releasing photos if this thing is truly a comet.
I think that's why they shut it down. I really do. I think that's why they shut it down. I think the other weird thing is that it's not only NASA. When it got so close to Mars, almost every space agency should be able to get like a really, really clear picture of this. And they all went dark. No one's posting pictures. No one's reporting shit. So maybe it's you know who.